G'day guys, we've got the Glenaire here and we're going to go to set up the annex. At the moment what we've got is we've got all the poles laid out. So using your current pole plan that you have, you can lay out all the poles. So what we've done is we've laid out all the number 8s, the 12s, the 11s and number 13s, etc. And we've made sure that all the eyelets inside the camper trailer line up. So that's something that's very, very important to get that right first. Now we've got Tim and Russell, they're going to come in and set up the annex for us. So Tim and Russell are going to grab the number 8 poles and put them into the eyelets of the camper trailer. And in this demonstration we're going to show you how to do it without a step ladder. Now having a step ladder is going to make it a little bit easier. And you can see the number 8 poles that they're putting in, they've been pre-extended. Once you've extended the poles, mark the poles with a marker so you know how far to pull them out. So Tim's jumped into the camper trailer and holding up the annex just to take the pressure off for Russell, and Russell's starting to zip it on. Now there's a bungee cord that you can pull, and now Timmy's taken over the zipper and he's pulling it across. So now the boys are going to start to erect the annex. I pick up the number 13 pole and number 11 pole. They laugh because we've done a couple of takes on this and hopefully we'll get it right this time. Now if it is windy, what you do want to do is guy rope one of the corners down. So where Tim and Russell are at the moment, you do want to peg that down and pull it back so it does help keep the annex stable if there is a bit of a breeze. So working from one corner and working your way across, we've found that that's the easiest way to set up the annex. So in this particular case we're going from the left side through to the right, so number 13, 14 pole, then 16. So now all the poles are up, they're going to extend the spreaders out, hook on the bungee cords to the annex poles, readjusting the number 14 pole, and then the number 16, number 14 again, and Russell's pulling out number 11. Now all we need to do is just adjust the annex to make sure it's all nice and straight. Put the spreaders in, so you've got your spreader bars, the number 17 and 19 poles. And once they're in, then a good thing to do is actually rope down the annex for any unsuspecting wind that may come in. So there we have it guys, just under 7 minutes there setting up the annex for the Glenaire. Thank you boys.